Hey guys, and welcome to Dr. Nika's tutorials channel. In this video we're gonna see how to delete a password that is saved in Google Chrome. So first of all, we click here menu and then click settings, then search here for passwords. Okay, passwords. Okay, click here on passwords, and then choose any password that you want to delete. For example, I want to delete this one. Click on remove. Now this password is removed from my Google Chrome, and whenever I enter the site again, it will not appear for me. I had to like enter the username and the password again. So yeah, that was it. It was a very simple guide. Hope you guys liked the video. If you liked it, hit the like button, smash it, man. And if you are new here, just click on subscribe to have the latest videos on your timeline. And if you have any questions, literally any questions, type down below in the comments. And that's it. Have a good day.